Hello guys, I'm from Indonesia and welcome to the ARP STUDIO tutorial. And today I will show you how to record the screen on Windows 10 using lightweight software. Firstly, you can download the OBS software. You can download anywhere. Just click OBS Studio download, and then you can searching. This is all OBS project in here. You can using your system operation. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit version for Windows. You can download installer, download via BitTorrent, download zip, or view on GitHub. And then you can open the OBS like this. OBS Studio, open. Then you can click in here, add. You can choosing shorts for your recording, and this is display capture for record screen only, or di sini too many. Try display capture. Then you can using name anything, and I will rename tutorial 3. Okay, and then you can click OK. This is a record screen, and you can it's very easy. You only need to prepare a recording source and storage for output. Then set the sound source you want to record. Set the sound source. Okay, like this. This is a desktop audio. Your laptop or computer, anything, music, anything. I'm sorry for bad English. I'm using Google Translate. And then this is for your mic sound. The yellow bar is better, and we try to music background. You can listen here. This is for adjust volume. Please don't this is okay. You can settings videos output in here. Output di sini. This is for your mic, and this is for desktop audio or laptop audio. Okay, it's very easy. See you in the next video, and bye bye.